This is Jordan. She's a new Acuvue brand contact lens wearer like you, and she's going to demonstrate how to insert or apply your contact lenses. But before she does, she needs to do something very important. Whenever you touch your lenses, you always need to first wash your hands and dry them on a clean, lint-free towel. This is needed to help protect your eye from debris.
I start with my right lens, right?
Correct. This is a good tip and a good habit to get into. Each lens is for a specific eye, and you don't want to mix them up. If you always start with the right lens when you put them in and take them out, each lens will go back in its proper case. First, you take your index finger and make sure it's dry. Then you put the contact lens on it. Make sure it creates this little bowl shape. You should also check the lens for any nicks or tears. Be sure to immediately throw away any damaged lens. One thing you should notice about your Acuvue contact lenses is their blue tint. This will help you see it better on your finger. Acuvue also puts UV blocking material into many of its lenses. In fact, certain Acuvue brand contact lenses have the highest level of ultraviolet protection available on the market. UV absorbing contact lenses are not substitutes for protective UV absorbing eyewear. You should continue to use UV absorbing eyewear as directed. Okay, let's start with the first lens. Look straight ahead and hold the finger with the lens up to your eye. Then use your middle finger to pull down your lower eyelid. With the middle finger of your other hand, lift up your upper eyelid, and then put the lens on your eye. Once the lens is in, look slightly from side to side to make sure the lens is on. But most importantly, when letting go of the lid, let go slowly and gently close your eye. The most common mistake of a new wearer is that they let go of the lid too quickly and the lens pops out. It's okay to blink a few times. This will help center it. How does that feel?
Feels great.
Let's see that again. Do the other eye and I'll walk you through the steps. Put the lens on your index finger. Check that it's in the correct position and without any damage. Be sure to immediately throw away any damaged lens. Look straight ahead. Bring the lens up to your eye. Use your middle finger to pull down the lower eyelid. Use the middle finger of your other hand to lift the upper eyelid. Place the lens on your eye. Remember to look slightly from side to side. Let go of your eyelids slowly and gently close your eye. Blink a few times and there you go. That's pretty good for a new wearer.
Thanks.
If you don't get it the first time, don't be disappointed. It might take a little practice before you're really comfortable. Stick with it. You'll get it pretty soon. Any questions?
I do have a question. Do I put my makeup on first, then my lenses?
No. Always put your lenses in first and then your makeup. That way you don't get any makeup on your lens from your hands. And when you put on mascara or any other eye makeup, try not to get it too close to the inner parts of your eye. The opposite is true when taking them out. Remove your lenses first, then take off your makeup. Remember that oil-based makeup is more likely to affect your contact lenses than water-based.
Thanks, Amanda.
You're welcome.